Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I have some paper dolls. These are called Simply Blessed paper dolls. I have tons of paper dolls that I created. And basically it's the same paper doll, but it's different hair colors. But the skin tones are a little bit different. But there is a blondish, a brunette, and a black of all of the designs of the dresses. Here is Autumn Beauty paper doll. And like I said, here is the blonde one. Here is Beautiful Memories paper doll. Elegant Autumn paper doll. Legacy of Rose paper doll. There's the Simply Blessed ones. The rest of those. Then, let's see. Okay, and then there's Thankful paper doll. And then this one is an extra copy. Okay, everyone, so check out the links down below. These will be released within specific different kits, like the Thankful Fall one was released in the Thankful Fall Envelopes kit. So check out the links down below where you can get yours. Have a blessed and wonderful day.